on here, I'm going to give you something that you need. I'm going to give you something that you want. I got that. Now today, I'm going to tell you about a little keyboard from Google that can assist you when texting and you're needing to send over some directions or a picture or an address or something like that. Google has created the Gboard Keyboard, a real smart, intuitive keyboard that's an add-on to your smartphone, whether it be Android or iOS, iPhone. You can use the Gboard Keyboard now to search Google directly from inside your text message. All right, so when you launch this keyboard and someone says, hey, send me an address to such and such, that's where we're going to meet up at. You can now click on the G that is on the keyboard. It's going to send you directly to a Google search within the keyboard, within the text message, and you can search for that address. You can hit a share button that's going to be on the address, and it's going to populate right there in the text. You can send it off. It also has GIFs and pictures that you can simply populate right there. Copy it, paste it, boom, right from the keyboard. It is great. It's brilliant because I always get those text messages about send me an address, send me some directions. You can also send the directions within the keyboard too. So it's cool. Check it out. I'm going to give you my take on it as I give you the little walkthrough on the keyboard. And we're going to get into this thing. All right? Let's go. All right, so let's get into this keyboard. I've already installed it, launched it in settings. So you go to settings, you go to general, go to keyboards, go to add keyboard. You're going to have to allow full access to this. And then boom, you come in here and you can hit that little button there or the word, hold it, and you can select the Google keyboard. I've already done that, so it's not showing. But anyway, here is the keyboard. It's real sleek. It's like a white based grade background. But as you see here, you have your text bar and you have your G here. Okay, so the only thing is it doesn't have a little slider where you can slide up and have the predictive text, but that's just for the text messaging for whoever you want to send it to. But if once you get here, it does have the predictive text, but it doesn't have that little slide bar like on the native on the iOS. Now, I don't know how it works on Android. I am an iPhone user, so I'm showing you on an iPhone. All right, but you have this here. It does have predictive text. The only thing that it's missing is voice to text. It's missing voice to text. I'm pretty sure that is some proprietary issues with Google and Apple, so they could not add that on here. I myself, I love voice to text, do a lot of driving, so I probably won't be using this, but I do love the features. So if you see here, boom, 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 just as simple as that. You text just like any other keyboard. But the smart thing about this one is you hit this G, boom, and there you go. You're right off in Google search. So say let's search Martin Lawrence. I had that there, so we search Martin Lawrence. Boom, there he goes. He pops up. You see the share button? You can share that, or you can make it a full screen situation there. Boom, boom, article, 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 share it. If you share it, it's going to populate. See? And you can simply send it to whomever you're texting. Here it's adding GIFs. You can add a GIF if you'd like. You see the GIFs? No! All you have to do to share that is simply hold the finger down on it. It's going to say copy. Tap to paste the GIF. So we're going to paste it in there, and there you go. You got the GIF. You can also hit that G again if you want to do a picture. You hit this little mountain image right there. You got the picture. Tap Martin. It's copied him. Let's paste it. Bam. Picture within the text. Just as simple as that. Real easy, real smart, real intuitive. The only drawback for me is that it does not have voice to text. Let me go back in there. The only drawback to me is that it does not have voice to text. And it seems a little bit harder to type for me. I don't know. I don't know if the keyboard is tighter than my native keyboard, but it just seems like it's a little bit harder for me to text. But other than that, it's a great keyboard. I think you should check it out. I think you will love it. And it can be very useful to those who are out there that need to send out those quick little text messages with addresses and directions. If you want to send a picture or whatever. You know, if you're just being funny, you want to send a GIF or you want to send a picture. All right, and there you have it. Boom. Gboard Keyboard from Google. Y'all check it. Respect it. I'm out. Well, it's been another episode of All Cool Stuff, but you know I'll be back again sooner than later. Y'all stay tuned. Check me out. You know where to find me on the social network and the social media. Instagram, Snapchat, Periscope, all that good stuff. Periscope and Instagram is KoolKard. Everything else is All Cool Stuff. Check me. I'll check for you. Keep checking for me. Y'all subscribe below. Tell a friend to come back again and see your boy KoolKard. Come kick it.